this video, I will show you how to add a new contact on WhatsApp. If this guide helps you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so other people can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open the WhatsApp app on our phone. Here is where you can see all your chats and every single person that you're currently talking to. And if you want to add a new contact, what you have to do is simply tap on the plus icon that you see at the top of your screen. As you can see right here at the top, you have different options. You can create a new group, a new broadcast channel, you can chat with AIs, or you can create a new contact. So I'm going to select the option right there. And here you can type in the person's first name, their last name. Remember that you have to choose the country that they use to create WhatsApp with. And then you can just simply type in their phone number. The great thing about adding a person on WhatsApp is that you're able to see if they are available on WhatsApp. So as you can see, I already have this contact saved on my phone. As you can see right next to the number, it's showing me this green check mark, which pretty much tells me that they do have WhatsApp and that I'm able to chat with them inside the app. If a person is not available on WhatsApp, you're going to receive this message that you see right here at the bottom. This phone number is not on WhatsApp, but you have the option to send them a text message to invite them to create a WhatsApp account. Once you're done creating your contact, simply tap on done. And once you created your contact, as you can see now, you're able to chat with the person. You can even call them through video message, or you can give them a phone call. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.